Join us every Sunday in the month of May for a special visual empowerment series entitled Vision on Board, a guide to designing life for Black women, hosted by award-winning author and motivational speaker Louise Hicks. Be sure to go to eventbrite.com to register before May 15th for this special visionary series. If you have a vision of something great you want to accomplish, learn how by registering for Vision on Board. Here's some highlights during the inaugural presentation from 2017, plus brand new highlights from the first week of Vision on Board 2022.
We're going to build this network because it's global.
Hello! Are we live again?
Yeah.
We are here with these beautiful ladies again, and I'm going to do a vision board too. I have my board right here. All of my stuff is right here, and I'm working on mine because I have lots of goals as an elevation speaker and success coach, and these are some awesome ladies here. We have travel agencies here. We have motivational, elevational, other speakers here. We have, what else we have here? All these career ladies. Higher education. Employment services. We have ladies here that already have businesses established, and what they're doing now is elevating themselves to the next level in their businesses, and many of them are like my buddy Sandy here. She's giving me some ideas of what she's doing with her board because she wants to get some independence and some peace and some serenity, and so she can further her employment agency. One of my mentees, she found me on Facebook, not on Facebook, on the internet actually, several years ago. I think it was 2010, Jan Bennett Burks. And she wrote this book, Hope, Next Exit. It's an awesome book. She gives some accolades to me in this book, and I love it. I didn't even know it until I read this book. And she thanks me as her mentor. She says, to my mentor, Louise Hicks, who accepted me and took me under her wing when she didn't even know me, and I didn't know her. She found me on the internet. It was before I had my radio show. This is awesome. Now, look. You guys know what this says. I thought I wanted a career. Turns out I just wanted a paycheck. Do you all just want a paycheck, or do you want a career? Get a career. Get aimed to your purpose. And use those elements of vision, hope, faith, knowledge, and action. Because faith is all about believing. When you believe in you and who you are, and you know who you are, you cannot help but recognize and realize your vision. With your vision, sometimes it's good to just sit and, oh, look at her. Wow.
Okay, I'm going to achieve a college degree. I'm getting a passport. I would like to join the NAACP.
Okay, now.
I'm going to read more. I got my different books, Malcolm X, Zora Neale Hurston.
Good, I love her.
And give me a passport.
Good.
Bring my family together. My different places I want to vacation. And my thing was, I am a strong woman.
Awesome. I love it.
Vision 2017. So
I love it.
Some empowering single women. I got a single mother right there.
Oh, good. Yeah, because see, is aimed to her purpose. Look at this T-shirt she's wearing. And I'm going to be creating some aim to purpose empowerment wear and more, because I do a lot of designs and everything. So I'm going to be doing, but I want you to see this, because she has positive mind, positive vibes, positive life. And that's awesome. Share some of these things because we really want you all to get aimed to your purpose. And aim to purpose is all about aspiration, inspiration, motivation, edification, and determination. And when you do those things, you have to have the elements to go with it, which are vision, hope, faith, knowledge, and action. And that's what gets you into your purpose. anything that you want in life, you must always knock. That door is definitely going to open.
On the things that you want, for example, for your cooking, if for those that want to be a chef, put things on your vision board that have to do with just that. Put pictures of food up, put pictures of utensils, put pictures of the cooking things that you're going to need for that accomplishment. The school that you might want to attend, find out how much it costs. Anything, find out all the details that you want and put it on that, and you can put that on the dream board. You can be specific, or you can just be in broad strokes.
Chair, can you see a portion of my vision board? This is my vision board that was I made in 2018. I do vision boards a lot. My grandkids, I believe that we all have visions. We all have dreams. We must write them down. Mr. Mason just told us about the timeline. Stop being fearful of the fear. Now, my dream board says, live the dream. Share the dream, live the dream.
And then when he, and I've already told him we're going to sketch out the cart, get with Papa and Dad. We want it made a certain way, and we're going to take this business on the road. Okay. So when your kids and your grandkids have an idea, these kids are brilliant. When they are showing and that they are thinking, sit down and talk to them, but most importantly, listen. Listen, because you will be astonished, but you will probably learn some things. But if we really want to change where we are, we got to change what we do, how we think, and how we move forward.
Once again, be sure to go to eventbrite.com to register before May 15th for this special visionary series. We hope to see you there.